Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Credential Manager error in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 and you're facing the issue with Credential Manager errors, let's see how can you fix the issue. You just have to right click on the start button and then click on the run. Now in this run tag, you just have to enter this services.msc. So once you have entered services.msc, press OK. So it will open all the services here. Just wait for some loading. Now in this section, you just have to scroll down and just look for credentials. And so you just have to scroll down here, and here's the credential manager. Just right click on it and then click on stop. So once you have stopped it, you can also double click on it, and here from here you can stop this service. Just click on stop, and once the service has been stopped, you just have to go back and just restart your PC. So once you have restarted your PC, after restarting, you have to right click on the start button, go to run again, go to services.msc again, click OK, and here you just have to search for credential manager, right click on it, click on start. And once you have started, you can also try to restart it once again. So once you have done, your issue will be fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.